Are you thinking about starting chicken farming? Or maybe you already have a few birds and want to improve your results? Let's talk about how to rear good and healthy chickens, whether you're doing it for meat, eggs, or both. 1. Hatching chicks start with healthy chicks. Good chicken farming starts with healthy chicks. Always buy your chicks from a trusted, certified hatchery or breeder. Look for chicks that are active, alert, and free from discharge around the eyes or beak. Build a safe, clean chicken house. Chickens need a clean, dry, and well-ventilated space. Your chicken house should protect them from rain, wind, and predators like dogs, snakes, or rats. Don't forget good airflow, it helps prevent disease. Keep the floor dry and use bedding like wood shavings or straw. Clean the coop regularly to reduce infections. Keep the right temperature, especially for chicks. For the first few weeks, chicks need extra warmth. Use a brooder lamp or charcoal stove to keep temperatures between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. That's about 86 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Reduce the heat slowly as they grow. Watch their behavior. If they crowd together, they're cold. If they spread out too much, it may be too hot. Feed them well. Good feed equals good chickens. Give them balanced commercial feed made for their age, starter feed for chicks, grower for young birds, and layer feed for egg-laying hens. Always provide clean drinking water. Chickens need a lot of water, especially in hot weather. Vaccinate and prevent diseases. Prevention is better than cure. Make sure your chickens are vaccinated against common diseases like Newcastle, Marex, and Gumboro. Also, keep the coop clean and avoid overcrowding. Quarantine new birds before mixing them with the rest of the flock. If a bird looks sick, isolate it fast. Monitor their growth and behavior. Watch your birds daily. Are they eating and drinking? Are they active or dull? Are feathers clean and smooth? Healthy birds should grow well and show signs of activity. If anything seems off, take action quickly. With proper care, you can rear healthy chickens that grow fast, lay well, and bring good returns. Whether you're farming in your backyard or on a bigger scale, remember, healthy chickens start with a committed farmer. Are you ready to grow your flock the right way? Follow this page for more tips on poultry farming, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments.